Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you're all doing very well. Are you remembering to wash your hands again and again? Very good. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we're going to learn many interesting things. We're going to learn how many days there are in the month, and we're going to learn about the moon and the sun and many more things. Let's start. So, do you know how many days there are in a month? How many of you do you know? Okay, let me tell you. There are 30 days or 31 days or sometimes 28 days in one month. So, did you know that? Which month has only 28 days? Yes, February. February only has 28 days in one month. But sometimes there are 29 days in February. Do you know which year that is? Let me tell you. That year is a leap year. In a leap year, we have 29 days in the month of February. A leap year comes after every 4 years. जो leap year है वो हर 4 years बाद आता है और उसमें फरवरी में 29 days होते हैं instead of 28 days. Okay. Do you know what a sun is? Yes, it shines brightly in the sky. It gives us warmth, it helps plants to make food, and it makes everything very bright. But do you know if a sun is a star or a planet? Or what is it? The sun is a star and it's so big. It is one of the hottest stars in the universe. So, what do we find in the sky except the sun? Do you know? You know it's found at night. What is it? It is the moon. It shines brightly in the sky at night. But is it hot like the sun? Does it have its own light? क्या जो moon है वो खुद ही चमकता है इतना ज़्यादा? No. The sun reflects its light on the moon and the moon shines brightly. That is how the moon is shining in the sky at night. The moon gets its light from the sun. We learned so many interesting things today. And did you have fun learning them? Let's repeat what we learned. First, we learned that there are either 30, 31 or 28 days in a month. And which month has 28 days? February. And sometimes we have 29 days in February. In what year is that called? It's called a leap year. And a leap year comes after 4 years. And we learned that the sun, which shines so bright, is the hottest star. And the moon gets its light from the sun. It was so fun. If you want to learn more about this, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell icon. Goodbye.